Hey loves, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Are you ready for this crochet beach curl with a deep twist? If you like this, sweethearts, stay tuned and I'll show you just how to get this done. Subscriber of the week goes to, and I thank you. Okay, sweethearts, let's just get right into it. My hair is washed, conditioned, greased, and braided. I did this the night before. It's best to do your braids the night before so you won't have a lot of tension on your hair when you're doing your crochet. I went to my local beauty supply store and got this beach curl, and you can also get this from Amazon. Remember, everything is on Amazon. I also got the deep twist from my local beauty supply store. I got them in 22 inches and I got them in 1B, sweethearts. When your hair is in crochet, you want to make sure your hair is oiled and greased. I'm using some Dew Growth, and I'm also using Dew Growth oil as well. Grease your scalp up, my loves, because remember, we're locking it in with the crochet hair. You definitely want your hair greased and oiled. Even grab some anti-itch, because once you lock it in with the crochet hair, you're not going to be able to get to it. So oil your scalp up as much as possible and most definitely get those edges. I'm just going to add some black control to my edges just so you won't be able to see those little kinks in the back. And I'm going to be using this throughout my hairstyle as well. Okay, loves, first method. We're going to put our loop through our braid, then we're going to pull the hair through. We're going to grab our hair and we're going to tie it around one time, and then we're going to pull that through. That's all you're going to do for your first method. That's the easiest method that you can do. So I'm going to show you again. You're going to put the needle through. You're going to put the hair through. You're going to close the needle up. You're going to wrap it around one time, and then you're going to close it up. That's how you're going to do those. That's the easiest crochet method for me. Okay, with the second method, you're going to do the same thing, except at the very end, you're going to separate the hair and then tie a knot. This method is more secure than the first. Okay, with this third method, the only difference is you're going to wrap this around twice instead of once. That's giving it a secure method as well. Okay, this can get a little complicated. This is the invisible knot. Okay, you're going to pull the hair through. You're going to hold that hair. You're going to grab one piece of the other hair, and you're going to wrap that hair into a knot, and then you're going to pull that through. I might be saying it's a little too slow, but go ahead, take your time, and watch how I am doing this. This is the last piece, and then it'll be 2 packs of hair that's in my hair. You guys, yours don't have to be this full. You can spread this hair out if you like. I just wanted to see how full it would be with all of this hair that I have. And I think I'm gonna go for 3, maybe 2.5. When doing your edges, you make sure that the pieces that you're putting into your hair are very small. So it's half the size of a regular piece of hair that you're putting in your hair for your edges, because we're going to blend our natural hair, our leave out, with this hair. See, it don't seem that full, but this is only 2.5 packs of hair. Remember, all of my products are going to be listed in the description box below. Okay, we're just going to add a little bit of this curl mousse in our hands and just rub it through our hair. You're using your fingers as if it was comb. So you're combing through and you're opening up these curls as you're pulling it down with your fingers. Anytime you cut your hair, anytime, you make sure you're cutting downward. If you're just cutting off the ends or cutting off loose little pieces, make sure you're cutting downward. I'm adding this curl mousse just for a moment, but actually off camera, I actually put some of the black control on my edges, and then I locked my hair in a scarf just to make sure my edges are nice and sealed. Shaping is a difficult part. You want to make sure it's going perfectly well with your face shape. So remember, always cutting down, and make sure when you're doing one side, make sure you cut the other side so you can get an even cut. And remember, don't be scissor happy, because once you cut it, you can't go back, sweethearts. So be careful when you're cutting and shaping. And these are the final results, my sweethearts. Don't it look like my natural hair? It looks good, especially when you add the jam right around your edges and blend it in. You guys, I enjoy this hairstyle. I hope that this video does you well. I hope you're watching along. I hope you're following along, because I want you to look good, sweethearts. This hair feels good and it looks good. Thank you so much for tuning in, my loves. I love you, even if I don't know you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.